Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Printify to sell t-shirts and other custom merch online through Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, you could use the products tab and add the products you have on Printify here, and then manually just fulfill the orders. However, that is very tedious, and you should not do that. What you should do is you should go into the App Store and search for Printify, and you'll see this here app, which is the free, the app for Printify, which has a free plan available. So just click on that, and once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and install this app. Now this app is going to be pretty much used as the integration between the two services, and as you can see, it's currently loading Printify, and now it is in Shopify again. And now we can click install. Once we do, it's going to install the app, and now we should have it within our Shopify page. Under apps, as you can see, you have Printify over here, and you can log into your account if you have one, or if you don't, you can just create one on the spot. And once you sign in, that should be pretty much it. And then you can start using Printify through Shopify. As you can see, it has logged in. And now over here, you can set up your catalog, set up your products and everything. And you can set it and use it pretty much in tandem with Shopify. And that should be pretty much it. You could use it pretty much as you would normally on the internet. However, now it's been integrated with your store on Shopify, and all of your products should appear in your Shopify store as well. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.